None. Welcome to Caribbean Glow. Truffle mushrooms are a rare and expensive delicacy, cherished for their intense aroma and flavor. They grow underground, forming a unique friendship with certain trees, making them tricky to find and harvest. Here are 5 truffles you need to know about. First up, the black truffle of Perigord. Found in Europe, this truffle boasts a pungent aroma and earthy, garlicky flavor, perfect for shaving over pasta or risotto. Next, we have the white truffle of Alba, also from Europe. Its intense fragrance and unique taste make it a favorite among chefs worldwide. Don't forget the summer truffle, another European gem. While milder than its counterparts, it still packs a flavorful punch. Now, let's head to North America for the Oregon white truffle. Not as celebrated as the European varieties, but it offers a unique and delicious experience. Lastly, meet the Burgundy truffle. Known for its nutty and robust flavor, it's a versatile addition to many dishes. Truffles truly are a treasure of the fungal kingdom. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments.